Is your Honda infotainment screen frozen or unresponsive? Here are 3 quick methods to reboot your Honda Connect 2.0 system in 2022 through 2025 models. Method 1 is the primary reset technique. Hold down both the power button and volume down button simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. This forces a complete system restart. Method 2 uses the settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then System, and select Factory Reset. This option completely restores the system to default settings. Method 3 is for emergency situations. Disconnect the 12-volt battery for 30 seconds, then reconnect it. This will reset the entire system, but you'll need to re-enter your radio code afterward. These reset methods work by clearing temporary memory and restarting the system software. Most freezes are caused by memory overflow or minor software glitches that these resets can resolve. When a simple reboot doesn't resolve your Honda infotainment system freeze, these advanced troubleshooting steps can help identify and fix the underlying issue. First, clear your system cache to remove accumulated temporary files that may be causing slowdowns. These files build up over time and can interfere with normal system operation. Ensure your software is up to date. Honda releases over-the-air updates that automatically fix common freezing issues and improve system stability. To prevent future freezes, avoid running too many apps simultaneously, as this can overwhelm the system's memory. Also ensure your smartphone connections remain stable during use. For older Honda models from 2016 to 2021, the reset methods are different. Try holding the power button for 10 seconds, or press power plus home buttons simultaneously for 15 seconds. If problems persist after trying these methods, a dealer reflash might be necessary. This is especially true for issues related to temperature extremes or corrupted firmware that require professional diagnostic tools. These troubleshooting steps should resolve most Honda infotainment system issues. Remember to try the simplest solutions first, and don't hesitate to contact your dealer for persistent problems.